Guys, just put the 850R up on the ramps in the back. I'm gonna be straight piping her today. Man, I think it looks really good with the wax that I did. But yeah, this huge suitcase muffler right there is gonna be gone. Goes all the way up to right behind the cat, and then it comes out right there. Shout out to Vaughn Motorwork. They'll be tuning this soon. Let me show you guys the new exhaust that I'm putting on it. Okay guys, so here's the new exhaust. It's a straight pipe from the car that I had before this one, which is a 855 T5 manual. And it had this straight pipe exhaust right here. This one is going to be the one that goes onto the 850R. I'll show you guys after clips and before clips. So this one actually had a fat exhaust leak hole right here. I checked all the other welds. The other welds seem to be fine and no like black carbon coming out, so I patched this one up with some JB weld. We'll see if that holds. Okay guys, just got the exhaust off. You can see the space where the huge muffler was. There's the cat. I'm just gonna connect it. The new exhaust is just a stock pipe with everything deleted from it. Here's the stock exhaust, and here's the new one. Next clip will probably be a startup, and then tomorrow I'll get you guys some revs and flybys.